Good morning, good morning.
How are you?
It's good. Hey, you have a fellow Zambian that asking your contact number, so I did give it to him.
All
Okay,
right, no
and
problem.
he found me on my YouTube, on my Facebook and YouTube, and he was impressed. I don't know if he's an agent. I told him deal with Mr. Sikwasi because he knows me
Yes,
and say hello for me. Mhm. So that is how I. Now, going back to our conversation, today in your end is February 12. On my end is February 13. The price of gold is 93,756.1 per kilo. Per ounce is 2,915.59 per ounce.
oh, yes.
2 days ago, the price was 92. Okay?
Mm,
Now it bounced back to almost 94. So when you wake up, because you wake up early, I think what time is it in Zambia?
it's 5:30 a.m.
So when you have your breakfast around 10 o'clock, this price could be $94,000. I'm watching. The movement is very fast. Click, 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 running, running, running. This is very fast. So I thank you that you watched my YouTube channel recently. Yeah?
Yes,
So what did you learn out of my video recently? What did you learn?
I learned that you have to. I learned that before in every transaction you have to interrogate the buyer. You get to know and you make sure that they have read your procedure.
Okay. Did you watch the whole video? Did you?
Yes,
So you learned from Wilhelmina a lot.
a lot, madam. You are full of wisdom.
Right. So my YouTube channel is getting bigger and bigger, right?
Yes, I'm seeing the numbers. Numbers don't lie.
Exactly. I think I have 3,084 subscriber. Mhm.
Numbers don't lie and the views don't lie.
Exactly. Most of the joker broker they hate Wilhelmina's guts.
Yeah, they have to hate you because they tell the truth. They are liars.
They are. They're liars. And also the buyer, I swear, they lie. They pretend to be a buyer, but actually they are not a buyer. You know every day how many.
You,
Yeah, go ahead.
you have opened African eyes how business should be done. Yet the light, if you don't know, where is
Those
the dark?
those foreigner travel to Africa thinking they can get cheaper price. They think that they can hand carry the gold. They think that they can smuggle the gold. Nowadays, the government in Africa has already aware of those criminal activities. They are already aware that
True.
foreigners are ripping off Africa.
Yeah,
And also the seller can rip off the buyer. Yes,
true.
the seller can say, yes, I have the gold, pay taxes. But why are you going to pay taxes that you have not paid the gold? How are you going to take the gold out of the country without certificate of clearance? Hmm. So those idiot foreigner, they travel all over Africa. They travel to Ghana, lost $1 million. They travel to Nairobi, lost $450,000. They travel to Tanzania, they lost money. They travel to Mali, they lost $350,000. They travel to Sierra Leone, they lost $200,000. Hmm. They travel to Conakry, they lose money as well. Hmm. Because the seller is also hungry to sell. So, oh yeah, here's my gold, pay taxes. You will never get the gold. I'm telling you, guaranteed 100%. you're gonna be burn out your pocket. Yes.
And they always say Africa is full of scammers if they fail to get the gold.
It's not easy to get the gold in Africa at the moment. It's not easy. Especially the Central Bank of London. They are screaming, look at America, their tariff. When the tariff is high, short supply, the commodities. Most of the gold, they bring it to Dubai because Dubai tariff is a little bit smaller. But if you bring the gold to America, importation tariff is high. So most of the buyer, they bring gold to Dubai, which is good. But some of the criminal also using Dubai. That is very bad. So there are two kinds of situation here, good and bad. So the buyers are running and running and running. They landed to Wilhelmina. Then I interrogate them. They don't like my interrogation. They don't like my interrogation. Yeah. They don't like my interrogation. Did I not?
And you tell them to find a job.
Sorry.
And you tell them to find a real job to stop what they're doing.
Yes, I told them to find another job. This is not for him. There was, I think I mentioned to you a while ago that there was a lawyer from Sydney. And he was searching gold that he is a buyer. So I interrogate him. So middle of my conversation, he said he has a buyer in Hong Kong. So therefore, he's not a buyer. He's a middleman. That's fine. He's a lawyer. And during my conversation, because we are both Australian, he lives in Sydney and I live in Brisbane. And I told him, be honest, who is the buyer here? He said, oh, we have a contact in Hong Kong. Okay. And what the buyer needs, how long he is looking for gold. He said, Madam, that buyer in Hong Kong, he's been searching for gold and he was being frustrated. I told this lawyer, what kind of frustration? Oh, they said, bring gold to Hong Kong, they will refine the gold. That is the, I told him, that's the reason why your buyer has been frustrated. Why? Nobody will believe him. 500 kilos is already $1 million. 500 kilos, 500 times 84,000 per kilo we're selling, right? That is $42 million. The buyer has no $42 million.
I don't think so.
He doesn't have $42 million. So for our long conversation, and he said to me, what is your background? I told him, well, I just finished Bachelor of Science in Social Work. And I used to be in real estate, buying and selling exactly the same, you have to pay for it. And he did agree. And he said, my buyer wouldn't be able to get CIF. And I told him, you're a lawyer, you should know what is the meaning of CIF. You went to school, right? And he was laughing at me. And he said to me, you're very direct to the point. I said, yes. I need to be cruel to be loved. This business is very cruel if you lose $42 million. If you are not very careful, so reject. But he loves my profile. He loves my platform. And he said to me, how I wish I could follow you. I said, you're a lawyer. You should know that. And I told him, you know, you're studying law in university. That is theory. When I was in social work, I have law subject. Because we need to know how to deal with our clients. Those lawyers, I wouldn't believe that you're a lawyer. They just, based on the paper. I used to be in real estate. We're dealing with lawyers and lawyers and lawyers. They're gonna charge you. And I'm also charging my fee. Yes, I am a lawyer of gold. I know. I am a lawyer. I didn't learn it in university. I learned it through hands-on. So I am a lawyer of gold. I know ins and out. The procedure has to be followed because the government would not issue the certificate of clearance that the gold is free of illegal activities. Yes. So now the price of gold is 93,796. It's now 2009 17.41. Goes up, up, up. It's on my screen. See? See? It's on my screen. 2,917.51 per ounce at the moment. Oh, now it's 93,800. 93,800, almost 94. You are 93,800. Oh, 93,804.88. Fast, fast, fast. You are in Zambia. You're still. Are you now? It's in morning. You are now February 13. Here in Australia, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, February 13. Oh, 93,805. Oh. The central bank is it's on panic right now. They are now trying to buy raw materials. They're searching everywhere. Searching. They are running around. You don't need to run around. I am here. We have tons of gold. We have. My question is, how are you able to pay? Show me if you're a buyer. You're looking for gold. I'm gonna ask you, Mr. Sikwasi, how are you able to pay? Tell me. If you're a buyer. FOB, yes. So every time I'm on YouTube, I want you to give me the answer. How many videos that you've been following me, you've been watching? How many videos?
I've watched from the beginning. The one which my first video of you was the one for 2011, where explaining on how to buy gold.
Okay.
That's how I found you. The first video I found you. Then the rest for Mr. Franklin, the one he was explaining to himself that what happened to him and where he was. I like what you told him that you were greedy. He agreed, and from there, that's how you learn when you agree.
Yeah.
And you learn some. And the other one, for the letter of intent, you're explaining to them like you were explaining to them on how to write. How to write letter of intent. You just don't copy and paste.
That's right.
Yeah.
He has a buyer that 24 pages. 24 pages. A blank contract. That is a collection. They're gonna collect in order. He's a his buyer from Hong Kong, and he's an agency. The guy based in New York, huh? And he approached Franklin, and Franklin asked me to evaluate. He didn't meet the criteria. The guy from United States didn't meet the criteria. I review his 24 pages, and he just collecting information. I don't collect information. You've been watching on my YouTube channel. You just read the procedure, and then you send me a letter of interest to purchase. That's all.
I've got a question for you.
Go ahead.
I've got a question. Okay, assume I'm a buyer.
Yeah.
and I'm in Conakry, Guinea.
Okay.
I call you, Walumina. I'm interested in your gold. I'm here in Conakry, Guinea. I've got a company. I'm from USA
Okay.
or Germany, any other European country. How would you advise me?
Okay. My question, assuming you're a buyer, you are in Conakry. How long you been in Conakry? Tell me. How long?
I'll tell you, it's now like 1 year.
1 year. What happened out of 1 year? Why are you still running around chasing gold?
I'm still looking for a buyer, but I can't find it. So I came across your video, and I would like to buy from you.
Okay.
I think you can help.
What is your terms and condition?
Is it possible if you can bring your gold to my office?
Okay. Where is your office location?
I'll tell you, it's just within town.
Within the town.
Meet up and you can bring your gold to my office. We test and I pay you.
Okay. Why you ask us to bring gold into your office? That you are a ghost buyer. Why?
Yeah.
Why I'm gonna bring the gold to your office? That we have an office. Why? Why are you scared?
Because I'm the one with the money, and that's how I do things here.
Okay.
So I find to small deal the traders.
All right. So you have the money, we have the gold. And your money has no value if there is no solid gold. Gold is cash. So your money is paper money, has no value when you don't have the supply. So your money is useless because gold is money. Gold has many uses. So where are you coming from as being a buyer?
From USA.
So from USA, you know that you traveled to Conakry, that gold is precious. And where did you get that idea that we are going to bring gold into your office? Where did you get that idea from?
Because that's how everyone is doing it also in Dubai.
Well, those buyers asking bring to their office, we are a gold launderer. We have an office. I would like to invite you to come to the office provided you meet the criteria, provided you have to show me your business registration, provided you have to show me your importation license or export license if you are in Conakry, Guinea, provided you have to show me the proof of fund, how many kilos you are going to get.
2 kilos.
We
But
don't.
now I can't do big quantities. I can do 2 kilos.
Our policy, there is a minimum. If I were you, you just go to Medina. You buy gold in Medina. It's an auction site. You pay spot price. You go there. Our policy is minimum at least 20 kilos. Because this is for export. So you've been there for 1 year and you cannot find the gold, right?
Yeah.
So you are wasting your time. You're just wasting your time staying in Conakry, staying in the hotel. Every day is cost money. You don't have the money. You don't have enough fund. You better go back to your country and find a job and go and work in your country. Does that make sense?
This is why we hate you as broke jokers. You always crash our dreams.
So did I answer to your question, Mr. Sikwasi?
Yes, very much. That's 100%. Because many people, this is what's happening here. That we have got local traders, and that's what's happening. So I just wanted you as someone with knowledge, to enlighten those sellers and buyers on how business should be done.
The buyer thinking that Africa, they can get gold in Africa. Those foreigners who travel to Africa are hungry. They are hungry of this precious mineral. They are. Because why are you going to travel if you have no intention? Therefore, you're hungry. But you have a limited cash. Staying in the hotel every day is a cost money. Staying in the hotel per day is $320 per day. Right? And the food. And the taxi. And then you're roaming around thinking you can get gold in Conakry. There is a lot of street seller in Conakry. But they don't sell cheap price. They sell whatever the world market. You want cash, but you are a foreigner. How are you able to get the gold, and how are you going to process export documentation? Now in Conakry, every gold has to deposit at the central bank. And your receipt of payment must reflect into the seller's bank account. In order for the seller to request for the certificate of clearance that he is going to export to you, then the central bank will issue the certificate of clearance that you did pay the gold to the owner of the seller. Because the seller will remit the tax into his government. Right. If you don't pay, and then you cut corner, you smuggle it, good for you if you smuggled it. I wish you good luck. And congratulations. Last week, I think 2 weeks ago, there were a buyer from Dubai. The 4 tons of gold was being seized in the airport. Bound for Dubai. The export documentation is not complete. So when the export documentation is not complete, the metal box will be open, and if you didn't pay the gold properly, then you are considered as gold launderer. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Even in Mali, why Australian mining company executive was been arrested? Why? Because they are delinquent on remitting taxes to the government. Why Canadian mining company? They were being arrested and their license was being seized. Why? Because they were delinquent on paying royalty and taxes as well. So those joker buyers, they think they can cash and carry. Yeah, you can hand carry. Okay. But when you are in the airport, the custom will open it.
Yeah, true.
So you got my answer? Your question has been answered?
Yes, very much, madam.
So thank you that you keep on following on my YouTube channel, Mr. Sekwasi.
Yes, madam. Always.
You learn from University of Hard Knocks.
Yeah, it is.
You will not learn this in university. In university, you learn only theory. But I have practical at the same time theory. I've been to Africa. I know ins and out. I've been to Africa. Most of the joker broker hates my guts, you must remember. Why they hate my guts? Tell me.
Why they hate your guts is because you tell the truth. And they are hiding the truth. You don't prove it yourself. You're being yourself. You're being real. You've been to Africa and you've done many transactions. Than someone who is trying to prove and imagining transactions which has never done.
In fact, I'm traveling next month. I'm just waiting for my buyer to release his money laundering certificate. At any time, I can buy the ticket. My buyer already paid my services, you must remember. And my services is not for free. It's not. I've given you already free information worth $1 million. You must remember, Mr. Sekwasi.
Yes.
You learn from Wilhelmina for free.
Yes.
And you apply that to yourself and help your people in Zambia. Those buyers come to Zambia, tell them if they don't meet the criteria, tell them find another job.
Yeah, that's what I tell them now.
Yeah. You have the gold in Zambia. They are trying to rip off your country. Tell them you go back to your country and find a job. If you have the money, show us the money, then you can get the gold from us. This is the way.
Yes.
Right.
And I like what you say. There was one broker also came in telling me that for 2 years, 3 years, they haven't found, no transaction has ever gone through. So they say when we do this, it fails, but we have the money. So I think that, well, you have the money, but how come you don't, all the transactions, all the sellers are running away from you? Meaning it's a lie, they don't have.
He just lying. That buyer is lying. Show me the money. Show me the statement of your bank account that you have $1 million. 2022, I met an Indian. And he came to my hotel at Kalum. That he showed me that he has a paperwork. He applied for export license. He gonna buy and he can export it. I said, okay. And he has an agent, local agent. And I asked the local agent, how long have you been dealing with this buyer? Madam, he was looking for gold for 6 months. And then, did the buyer found the gold? Madam, we couldn't find the gold. Most of them are scammer. I said, really? I think you're one of the scammers as well. Because the real seller would not sell $35,000. So I told this agent, you are teaching this buyer to rip off your country. Define me what is the meaning of scam. And you also lied to this buyer. And the buyer also lied to you. And the buyer using you to scam you. So both of you are scammer. I told the agent. And the agent was surprised. Madam, help me. I said, I cannot. I told this agent, tell your buyer to take the buyer to Medina. And he can buy gold that is 2022. The price of gold was $55,000. Cash. So he didn't get the gold from us. The Indian guy said, oh, we will bring the gold to Dubai. Oh, yeah, you can bring the gold to Dubai. There is no issue for that. Madam, can I come to your office? Yes. You can come to the office with me, but show me your credential. He cannot show his credential to me. So I shake my hand to him, to this Indian. Nice meeting you and I wish you good luck. That's all I do. Then I told my seller was laughing. My seller has an office. I can take you to the office if I'll be in Conakry. Show me your credential. What's the point? You come to the office and then you bargain. We will meet you in my hotel. Then I can take you. Yeah, I can take you to the office. So there's a lot of buyers stranded in Conakry, Ghana, Mali, Tanzania, Nairobi, Kampala, everywhere. Everywhere.
True.
Everywhere.
SBLC, all moving with letter of credit.
Yeah.
Letter of credit.
His BLC stand for standard letter of credit. He doesn't have the money. He's going. Yeah, he's going to use the contract to borrow money in the bank. He is. Yeah. Why are you gonna borrow money in the bank? I thought you have the money. We have the gold. You have the money, right? Okay, we can do business. Just show me the statement that you have $1 million. I would believe you. Does that make sense now, Mr. Sikwase? Did I give you the answer to your question?
You have answered the Lord.
So what else? What else you gonna ask?
I'll ask you, the most ask that the other thing which they ask is that can you bring to our refinery, not your refinery, but our refinery.
Which refinery? Specify that.
They will select a funny refinery of their choice. I don't need it.
Okay, we can bring that to the refinery, but you have to show us the credential of your refinery, because your refinery would not accept gold from Africa undocumented. The refinery will accept the gold from Africa if the gold is fully documented. As a report, certificate of clearance, ownership, ECOWAS certificate, and the refinery would ask the seller to produce his credential. Yeah, we will produce the credential of the seller, provided the refinery will sign a contract with us. We don't bring the gold to the refinery without knowing who is the receiver, the consignee. Because when the gold arrives on the destination of the buyer, we would know who is their shipping agent to claim into the custom. So there is a lot of process. But those joker buyers say bring gold to Italy. Yeah, we can bring that to Italy, but we need to have a contract. The buyer's information, the locations of the refinery, the contact person, the receiver, the shipping agent of the buyer, because when the gold arrives into the buyer's destination, his shipping agent will claim that in custom. So did I give you the answer to your question?
100%.
So those buyers watching my video, they are going to learn our conversation. They are. Because this conversation is for the benefit of all the buyers, not the joker broker. The joker broker would not like Wilhelmina. Because I'm going to remove all the joker broker wasting the time. We prepare to deal with the buyer directly to the point, regardless of the price of the day, our selling price, less 8% tax included. Tax included. Now the price of gold is still the same, 2,917.37 per ounce. In dollars terms, still the same, 93,795.55 today. Today is February 13. In your end, it's already February 13 because you wake up around, I think your time is 7 o'clock in the morning.
Yes.
So it's still the same. I can see on my screen. See? So I think I give you the answer to your question.
Yes, madam, you've answered it very well. That way, many people won't have disasters.
All right, Mr. Sequasi, thank you for our conversation, and you can watch our conversation on my YouTube channel. And those buyers wanting to secure gold, we don't send procedure anymore. The procedure is on every video. All right. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good morning to you and good afternoon here. The time in Brisbane is 2:15 in the afternoon, which is Thursday. Happy Valentine's. Advance happy Valentine's. All right.
Thank you, madam.
All right.
Thank you.
I have a very long conversation with Mr. Sequasi. He is my follower on my YouTube and also on my Facebook. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you are talking to Wilhelmina. This is my virtual office. I'm live talking to Mr. Sequasi. There is no gold here in my office. There's none. There is gold in Conakry. There is gold in Mali. There is gold in Sierra Leone. I am your business facilitator. I'm very strict. Before you get the gold to my head office, I have to interview you like Mr. Sikwasi. You don't need to be scared to be live. Be thankful because I am educating you at the same time. Now, after my interview, you need to send me again a copy of your business registration, importation license, passport copy, the proof of fund that you have $1,000,000. If you don't prove to us, especially to this woman that you're talking, you're watching, I wouldn't believe it that you have $1,000,000, really. If you don't have $1,000,000, this is not for you. Better find a job in your country. It's better. This is not for you. I put this online because I want to correct the crookedness of buyers and sellers. There's a lot of sellers are also going to deceive you. The seller will offer you CIF cost insurance and freight. Don't touch it. Once you send them money to pay taxes, they are going to switch off their phone. You are going to be tralala. Why are you going to send money to pay taxes for? You have not sent the gold. So what you have to do, Mr. Buyer, after you watch this video, click below and subscribe. The full corporate offer is in front of you. I'm not going to chase you. You are chasing this precious mineral. Why are you chasing? You have the phone. You have an internet. You have a Wi-Fi. Just search on YouTube. Find gold. My video pop up into your screen. You don't need to be excited because I'm not excited to meet you unless you meet the criteria. So what you have to do, you watch this video until the end. After you watch this video, click below, subscribe time to time, you will be updated. Right. Every time I interview the buyer, my interview is live. This is for the benefit of everyone. You don't need to be scared because nowadays we are now on a modern technology. Everything now is communication, live communication. I am the only person who put this everything on the world map because I am helping both buyers and sellers to stop their crookedness. In this gold business and diamond business, there's a lot of criminal people. I'm telling you. Those buyers that scared to open their camera, either you are a criminal, either your money is dirty coming from drug activities. I'm very strict because my seller instructed me, Madam, we cannot afford to lose our license if our government found out that we're involved on gold laundering. We've been in gold mining for many years and we cannot afford to lose our license. So put that into your back of your head, Mr. Buyer. If you are crooked, fine. You can be crooked for the rest of your life. There's so many cheap offer. That cheap offer are also crooked. They're also gold launderer. They're going to deceive you. They're gonna ask you, come, pay taxes. Yeah, you can pay taxes. There's always a tax, really. When you buy, you have to pay the tax plus the goods. You pay the goods plus government sales tax. You cannot avoid that. If you're just paying taxes without paying the gold, you're going to be tralala, 1,000,000%. So, Mr. Buyer, I'm not chasing you. I'm telling the truth. Those joker broker, they hate my guts. They blog me that I'm scammer. If I'm a scammer, Mr. Buyer, I would not show my face. Those scammers are scared to open their eyes. They're scared to open their face. They're scared to open their camera. Why? A minute they're gonna open their camera, It's live recorded. Why? Because if that person mucking around, I have the file. So you don't need to be scared. You don't need to. YouTube channel is open. Why this vlogger are always on YouTube? Okay? I am advertising that Africa is the main source of supply. Gold, diamond, bauxite, cashew, cocoa, etc., etc. The seller hired Wilhelmina to handle sales and marketing. At the same time, I am your business facilitator. My job is very unique. Guaranteed, Mr. Buyer, you will not fail, provided you meet the criteria. And, Mr. Buyer, I am charging you my services. This information is worth $1 million already. I know you've been window shopping and then you travel to Ghana, travel to Sierra Leone. Good luck on you. And if you made mistake and then you come back to Wilhelmina, whose fault is that? It's you. I am here to guide you. I am here to take you in order to get the supply. Your business would not function if there is no supply. Gold has many uses, Mr. Buyer. Look at United States and London and Canada. They are looking for gold. We have gold. Just search online gold in Africa. My video pop up into your screen. You're gonna ask my profile. Go on my platform on Facebook. You can see who is Wilhelmina. I don't hide. Those joker broker hide their faces, hide their credential. To me, they are just a time waster. I would love to do business with you, Mr. Buyer, in a proper way, not a crooked way. Don't be crooked, because a minute you're gonna be crooked, I'm telling you, 1,000,000% you're gonna lose money. Just like this guy that is on my YouTube. I interviewed him. He was born in Sierra Leone, but he lived in Finland. He lost money. A guy from Paris, we give him the visa, 2 visa, one for Mali, one for Conakry. He went to Mali. What happened? His gold was being intercepted in Ghana. So that is the reason why, if you watch this video, be thankful. Because I was the one who introduced this. I patterned the way we Australian selling product online. Everything now is online. Everything. I am also advertising. I am also telling that we have gold. Where the gold coming from? Mali, Conakry, and Sierra Leone. Right. Regardless of the price, we give you 8% tax included. You buy gold in London Central Bank. Lucky you get the gold 2%. You buy gold from us, you bring it to Dubai because Dubai is a hub. You can sell it to the refinery 2%. You still get 6%. Every bar. How much is your profit? My gosh, Mr. Buyer, you get the profit in every bar. If I'll give you a really good price because I'm going to negotiate, your profit is from 7,000 per kilo. If you get the 20 kilos, 7,000 times 20, your profit is here. But you need to invest first before you get the profit. Yes. 140,000, you're paying Wilhelmina services to 20,000 minus 20,000. This one, minus 20,000, right? Still you have a profit. Yeah. If you convince me, I might consider to give you 10 to 11%. Right? The profit per bar is 10,000 per kilo. 1 times 20, this is your profit. Every bar. Yeah? So in total of 20 kilos, this is your profit. Per bar is $10,000 if you convince Wilhelmina. Right. I am the gateway, Mr. Buyer. I am the extensions of the seller. Right. So I'm just give you the parable in life. When you're gonna die, our body die. But the spirit would be on fire. because heaven, the gate of heaven, is closed. Mhm. Listen to this business parable. You're buying gold, right? And you wanted to have a CIF, cost insurance and freight only, right? So you went to Africa. You have been burned out. So you are 1/5 of yours would be on hell. Why on hell? You lose money. And 1/5 of yours, the right, you talk to Wilhelmina, and then Wilhelmina will reject you. You understand the parable? I will repeat again, Mr. Bayan. Our life on earth is just a temporary. Okay? When we die, our body would be on coffin. So the Holy Spirit, the Spirit came out from the body. So if you are Christian, you can be cremated. A Catholic, we don't cremate our body. So our soul is still floating around like you did. You float around in Africa thinking you can get for free. So our soul is floating. So the gate of heaven is still closed because Jesus Christ have not given us the judgment. For 40 days, our soul are everywhere. So the loved one who's alive, they pray for the soul so that you will be in heaven. Right? Buying gold, exactly the same. You are going to travel, you are getting gold, you have been offered, pay taxes. So 1/5, you are on hell. Why you are on hell? You never know that your money will vanish. So you are on hell. You are screaming, you lost money. That is the parable in life. On the other feet, when you search gold and diamond online, you found Wilhelmina, right? And the gate of Wilhelmina would be closed for you. Why? Because you did not meet criteria. You didn't tell the truth. Going back again, when you were alive, you did not ask for forgiveness to the Lord. So when you die, your soul would be on fire. I hope you get my parable of life. Impossible you wouldn't comprehend my explanation. Impossible. If you didn't understand my explanation to me, you're dumb. Really. You're dumb. My seller didn't taught me. I was the one who educated my seller. Why? Because when I was in Africa, I told my seller, my goodness, you're setting down $1 billion worth of business. Foreigners are ripping you off. I am a foreigner, and I told my seller, from now on, I am teaching you. You pay, you remit the government sales tax to your government. That is normal. Buyer has to pay the gold plus government sales tax. Take it or leave it. My seller loved this woman. Thank God, Wilhelmina. You save us. I am cleaning Africa. Time to time, I'm gonna be online. I'm going to expose those crooked. I'm going to mention your name, guys. That is why this guy, okay, this falcon, can you see this falcon? Look at, he pretend to be a seller. Look at his, when I review, Joker, and another LOI, and he's a logistic. Reject. Another 20 pages of blank contract. When I review, reject. Mr. Buyer, before you come to Wilhelmina, make sure you read the full corporate offer. Make sure you understand. Make sure you have the financial capacity to pay. If you don't have the capacity to pay, stay away in gold business. Stay away. Thank you very much. Have a nice good morning to you. Here in Brisbane, we are now in the afternoon. I just finished talking to Mr. Chikwasi. Regardless of the price, we always give you 8% to make you profit.